I'd say that's great. It's good to understand that you have options. They're overwhelming. I say get educated. That's the thing I tell everyone, get educated. I can tell you that's why we created GWK Academy is to educate folks on other options. We have a wonderful guide to introduce people to adoption and donor conception journeys. And again, we go through sort of what other other people who've gone through those paths. What are their lived experiences? What are their priorities? What are their goals? What are their resources available that tends to help people choose one path over another? I also, after you get educated and you understand all your options, if one path or another doesn't call to you, then we have coaches that we're happy to talk to you about GWK Academy. We have mentors, parents who've gone through the steps. You could talk to mentors through each path. I just think that's probably the best way to do it. But only talk to people you trust. I wouldn't start like going around on social media or necessarily asking family members. It's got to really be people you trust and respect. But honestly, that's sort of what we built GWK Academy for, is to help educate people on the different options because it's totally overwhelming. It is completely unequivocally overwhelming. And so the only way to go around that is by getting informed. So just do it slowly. I always tell people if you're debating between adoption and donor conception, go through our course on adoption. Figure out which one, do both of you. If it's more than one person, everyone go through it. You can talk about it amongst yourselves and then wait at least a week or two and then go through the donor conception pathway that makes sense for you, depending on who you are. And then honestly, so for everyone I've talked to, when they've done that, they've come out and they have like a sort of a clear favorite pathway that makes the most sense for their family building journey.